Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today look is inspired prior to Valentine's Day coming up in like a week and a half, 2 weeks. So yeah, if you guys are excited for Valentine's Day, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So basically this is like a soft glam glowy makeup look with like a classic red lipstick. So if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, just keep on watching. So I'm just putting my hair back to get it out of my face. By the way, I already moisturized and primed my face. So for foundation, I am using Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation and applying with a brush. Don't forget to shake it well to mix it all together. This is honestly my go-to foundation now. I love it because it's weightless, doesn't feel like you have foundation on, and it's a buildable coverage, and it also makes your skin look so naturally flawless. And I'm also in the color 22G light golden, by the way. I also did my eyebrows using Anastasia brow wiz pencil, and I did notice that one of them looked harsh, but don't worry, I fix it throughout the video. Make sure you guys blend foundation down to your neck because you don't want to look like you're two different colors. I'm just adding a few more pumps of foundation to get a more medium coverage, and honestly I think I was jamming to Supermodel by SZA at this part. Then I'm just using this translucent powder by Airspun all over my face. This is honestly an affordable drugstore product. For eyeshadow, I'm using Makeup Geek Wake Up Core Shadow for my crease. Then I'm taking the Say I Do shadow, also from Makeup Geek, and putting it on the outside corner of my eyes. Then I'm using a clean makeup brush to blend everything all together. Next, I'm taking this shimmer eyeshadow from Carli Bybel Deluxe palette and putting it all over my lid, and then blending everything in together again. Now I'm curling my lashes, and I'm using Lancome Starlight Hypnose Drama Mascara. I really like this mascara because it makes my lashes look fuller and long, and it doesn't clump or flake at all. To bronze my face, I'm using SmashBox Contour Kit, and as you guys can see, I love this product that I need to get a new one soon. This powder is blendable and buildable, so start off with a little on your brush and build up. For a blush, I'm using the color Dusty Rose by NYX and applying it all over my cheekbones. I'm using this 3 shade from the Carli Bybel Deluxe palette to highlight my cheekbones, the bridge and tip of my nose, brow bone, inner corner eyes, and above my cupid's bow. Then I'm taking my beauty blender to blend everything in together. For lips, I'm using the shade Russian Red, and I didn't realize that the camera stopped filming at this point, so I don't have any footage when I was applying my lipstick, so I apologize guys. That is it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video.